Hello everyone. Right, just thought I'd do a video on some terrain I've been working on. About 3 or 4 videos ago, I think I mentioned I bought this set from Game Cult Shop on Etsy. Now, I finished it and done it all, so I thought I'd give you a bit of a showcase on what I've done to it. Now, last couple of weeks has been really hot. I don't do the heat too well, so I've struggled to do any figure painting in the last 2, 3 weeks. So I thought I'd crack on outside with the terrain that I had. So um, this is the first batch that I've done. Now, this set was a set of 6 buildings, quite basic, but I've tarted it up and used what I wanted from the set. There's other bits on the set that you can use if you want that I haven't. Things like these doors. I replaced the doors that are on top of the buildings because they were just 2mm MDF. I thought they looked a bit big, and then they do come with a load of doors for here. Quite a few ladders which I've used anyway, and then various bits I've just altered. But all in all, for value for money, I think this cost me £31.99. Now, for 6 buildings, you can't complain at that at all. I don't think, anyway. And actually, it gives you quite a lot of up and down, different dimensions. So let me show you all the buildings. So let me just pick this up. So this is what you get. So 6 buildings, 3 of which have second floors and a third, and then the final one has the top rail around it. Now, what I've done with all of the buildings, all the roofs come off. I've done a very basic, just painted it inside, just a creamy colour. And then on the outside I have rendered everything with polyfiller. And then it's just had a very basic paint job, and then picked up on bits that I didn't render quite well enough, and then just weathered it. And quite basic paint job, but I think it works very, very effectively. Now, so that's the first one. Second one is this one. Now, I like this one. What I did, this one, because you can take the roof off, and it's got a floor in there, but also it's got a roof here. You take this floor off, and then you can get in to the basement of here. But what I did, this is the one building that isn't fully attached. Ooh, he says, there we go. So you can get to the base of that. There we go. So that one's that, and yeah, same paint job all the way around. This one came with a little wall, so you got a little courtyard, which I like. So that's the second one. This one came with the base, and you can link them together, the set, but I wanted them more universal. So what I did, this came on this sort of base that you could link with that one potentially. So what I did, I decided to just create myself a little wall around it, just to give it just a bit of difference. And this one's quite a good one. This one will eventually, when I get my French Legion, French Foreign Legion fort, which is just there, which I'll show you in a different video. This will probably be one of the corner internal buildings because it's just made for it. So yeah, same premise. All this, all removable. I like the steps as well. Now the steps are very much like the steps I made for my fort, which are these ones, which are just MDF, because you can get a figure on them. Now it may not be perfect modelling scale, but it's perfect for wargaming because you can actually put a figure that's halfway up the stairs, which I really like. I like that idea. Little well came with it. You can do. I just did it separately. to there. Then there's this one, which this had this canopy with it that you can put on any of the buildings actually. So I just put a little canopy that I can just put anywhere I want really. And then this one, because I was rendering it, this didn't have this ledge. Oh, you can't see that, stupid man. This one didn't have this ledge here. So when I was rendering it, I realised if I'd gone that, I'd have ruined the balustrade bit at the top, if you see, yeah. So what I decided, I just got, I think it was long matches, you know, the long matches that you get from for lighting fires and stuff, whatever. I just cut them, put it round as if it's like a top piece. So that's that one. And then the last one is, yeah, which again, all I did with this, I added like a little canopy on it, which I'm pleased with. And all these lids come off. Yeah, trust me, they all come off. Anyway, so that's that. So that lot there, I'm really pleased with. I think they worked very well, and fully recommend this site. They do lots of other stuff. I think they do some ruins that you could use for Stalingrad. They've got a bazaar or a souk, and lots of other stuff. Well worth going and have a look at them. I will put the link below. Anyway, that's that terrain. I'll do some more videos on the other terrain, but I just wanted to get that one out. So hope everyone's okay, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.